Here I am. I can disappear, make objects appear, and appear again in the same place.
Okay, so we are going to do three things. I'm going to disappear and gonna put an object in the same place and I'm gonna appear again. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is
Appear.
I'm gonna disappear. So I'm gonna split this clip. And now in this clip, I'm gonna do something that is called detach audio. So now the audio is not in the clip. As you can see, now it's independent. So now I say
Make objects appear.
So I'm gonna split here, split clip. Now I'm gonna focus here on, I'm gonna disappear. In this clip, I'm gonna disappear. You can see that I am here, but I want to create an effect to disappear. So in this clip, you can see me standing up and leaving. So I'm gonna split clip. And now, here I was listening some music. I'm gonna detach audio and delete. And now I'm gonna see how long is this clip. This clip is 3.7. So more or less, I'm gonna cut a split clip, copy, and I'm gonna put it on top of this one.
Objects appear.
Okay, I'm gonna put it on top of this one. The reason why I put it on top is because I want to see that they have the same length. So now I'm gonna copy, I'm gonna paste it here, and I take the sound and I'm gonna drag it here because I want to delete this clip and this clip. So now it looks like this.
Here I am. I can disappear, make objects appear,